we got lurking out here?
What's up, guys?
We got JJ Rebuilds in the cut. What's going on, my boy?
Doing good?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, man. I like the new camera, yo. Damn.
You like that?
You even got the shotgun mic on there?
Ah, shit. Yes, sir.
Respect.
We got Pops' whip right here. And we got JJ Rebuilds right there. So we gotta show them the car right quick.
This is one of them. No?
This is one of them, like he said. So you guys, 14, right?
Yeah, it's 13.
13, 2013. Oh, that's Jafar. What the hell is Jafar doing here?
That's where his show, cuz.
GT500? Oh shit, all the cars are here today.
Everybody pulling up hot, yo.
Oh, he's coming in. What's the deal?
Ramadan Kareem.
Alayna alayk.
Where's the ring?
Huh?
I like that. I like
You
the
like
ring.
that?
Mabruk.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, Jay made an unexpected appearance. I was supposed to be...
just coming to say hi to him, and then I just saw he was here, so why not?
How do you know I was awake? What if I was still sleeping?
I was still coming to say hi either way. You know, I knock on your windows or some shit.
Nice. Alright. Well, let me introduce today's video, I guess. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's video, like I said, we were supposed to do a collab with just JJ Rebuilds, but Jay made an unexpected appearance, so I guess he's gonna be joining us, or probably going. He's probably gonna go home. But in today's video, we're taking JJ Rebuild's car and we're gonna go straight pipe it. This is one of the cars he featured on his channels. He bought it from the auction and completely rebuilt it. So if you guys do want to go check out that series, it is on his channel, link in description, and you guys can click that top right link somewhere. I don't know, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, on the top right.
There, right
so
there.
check it out, go watch his videos, and he is also gonna have a video of straight piping on his channel, so you can go check that out if you want to hear two different perspectives.
I just gotta have a 4-hour dentist appointment.
4-hour dentist appointment, nice. But yeah, we're gonna go straight pipe it.
We got sidetracked like a motherfucker.
So 2013, what? Granite crystal, right?
Yeah, it's like a metallic gray, like charcoal gray.
Yeah, it's just like the Hellcat. Granite crystal.
What?
The nice wheels.
Yeah.
And yeah.
6.4 liter. It's a 2013
It's a
dash charger
392.
SRT8. It's fully loaded. Got everything in there.
Yes, sir. You like that. So today we're just gonna go make it sound a little bit better. We'll give you guys some before and afters, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Here we go. A little warm start. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh hell no!
Bro, that's what I said, bro.
Oh,
Listen to this,
hell
bro. I'm ashamed, bro.
Oh hell no!
I'm gonna fix that today, y'all.
Oh
Promise.
hell no!
Wait, stop. Mine's louder than that.
Oh,
Bro, somebody
hell
insulted me the
no.
other day saying it sounded like a Ford Fusion, bro.
Bro,
Better
Jay,
yet, it sounded like a Ford Taurus.
JJ,
Mine sounds better though.
are you? Whoa, we gotta go. We gotta go get this taken care of. Wow, I did not expect that. I thought it was gonna be at least a little bit louder, bro.
I don't know how they did it with the stock exhaust.
It's an SRT. It's gotta be at least. Andy, what's up with this door? There you go. It's gotta be a little bit louder, but
Bro,
damn.
I'm not. I didn't expect it either, to be
Wow,
honest. This is
that
my
is
first
crazy.
SRT8. I've had a bunch of scats, but it didn't sound nothing like this, bro. And I was kind of like, someone the other day, like, I swear, God,
That
bro,
is crazy, bro. I did not expect that.
Yeah, it's dead quiet. Now you see why I want to straight pipe it, right?
Right. Holy shit. But damn. Anyway, guys, SRT. He's got the beautiful seats, the leather with the Alcantara in the middle. Then over here, he's got the SRT on the seat. A nice beefy steering wheel with the SRT flat bottom.
Yep. And on the settings, sport and track.
Oh, you got vented seats too? Damn.
I was on the dashboard too. With
Okay.
These are a bunch of settings for the performance ones too.
SRT pages.
Yeah, the gears right here. Pops and
Oh yeah, I have all that because I have the taser.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we'll go ahead, give you guys a little bit of before and afters. We'll try to find something new, and then we'll just catch you guys at the muffler shop after that. Here we go. Too quiet. Yeah, that is way too quiet, guys. Too quiet, sir.
About to fix that, yo.
About to fix that. You better believe it. Why you bothering me? Why? Alright guys, so we first started off by taking the mid mufflers, as you can tell, right here. And just gonna go ahead, get a straight pipe going, connect all that. And then we're gonna actually take off these as well. So we are going full straight pipe from the cat's back, full straight pipe. But we're gonna keep the X pipe. So yeah. And then we're gonna keep the same tips, and basically that's it. Alright guys, so update. JJ's filming, I'm filming. Yeah. We got the mids over here, straight pipe and everything, and then we just got the resonator deleted. So he's about to go ahead, straight pipe that, and we're gonna use the stock tips like I said. And yeah, we'll see you guys after. Alright guys, cars dropped. We got the resonators and the mid mufflers cut off, and we're about to get you guys, we're gonna put them in the trunk right quick, and then get you guys a little cold start. Well, here we go. Alright, they're in the trunk. Come on, hop in. Here, let me record it for your video too. Go ahead, start that motherfucker. Now that's how it's supposed to sound. JJ, refill! Give it another rev. Huh?
You like that, yeah?
I like that. You like that. Woo!
It's an American muscle right there, boy. That's American freedom ringing, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, man, you ready to get it?
Guys, so we're basically enjoying the shit out of the car right now. JJ, how you like that, my boy?
I'm loving it right now.
He's loving it. So now we're just gonna do some before and after clips. I'm gonna give you guys the before clip of the warm start, and now here's an after. Here's the before clips of the revs. And here's the after. Holy shit, that was quiet. Are you serious? so we're basically done filming the exhaust video, and for JJ, he said he wants to do a little something for you guys, so make sure you guys go check out his channel, link in description. So he wants to do this for you guys. Go ahead, let it rip.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir. All right, JJ, we'll see you, my boy.
Guys, subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button, yo.
Yes, sir. You know it. Ah, lovely. All right, guys. So we're about to go inside, and this is crazy. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content coming here very soon, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace out.